Hi guys, you're welcome back. On the latest episode of Judging Matters, we see in case 1 a case between Esther Asuquo and defendant James Odo brought before Justice Olusola Williams with Ebuka as the counsel. In a bid to change her apartment, Esther had approached James, a house agent, to get her a secure and befitting accommodation. James finally found one, then took Esther to the house. You know how agents make you pay for a house just by putting you the fear of others interested in the same house? Esther made a payment of 160,000 naira, out of which 110 went to the landlord and the 50,000 was agency fee made to James. 5 days after making payment, she visited the house and found a different person living in the house. She approached the landlord, who said his in-law had paid for the house and thereafter refunded her 110,000 naira she paid. Esther thereafter approached James, who said it was going to be difficult to pay her back the 50,000 naira agency fee because he would look for another house for her. Ebuka wondered how could an agency fee for a 60,000 naira rent be 50,000 naira. After all, the law stipulates that the agency fee is 10% of the house rent. James said his share was 6,200 from the money, as he had 7 other agents he worked with. Esther told the court she had earlier paid a 2,000 naira non-refundable registration fee to James and she just wanted her 50,000 naira back. Ebuka appealed to James to show some empathy. He thereafter asked him how long he would wait to get a refund if he were to be in Esther's shoe. Apparently, James had taken her to 7 other houses which she did not like for reasons ranging a certain symbol in the house to the house being a downstairs apartment because she had kids. Esther said her church rejected the other house that had a symbol, so she cannot live in it. Justice Olusola Williams, in her ruling, asked James Odo to refund the 50,000 naira agency fee collected from Esther Asuquo because he failed to render the services in which he was engaged. Justice Olusola Williams ruled in favor of the plaintiff since she said she has gotten a befitting apartment and she no longer needed the services of Agent James Odo. Okay guys, stay tuned to Nigerian news and entertainment to be bringing you more gist from Ebuka's Judging Matter. The new reality show promises to be filled with much laughter and entertainment. Alright, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when the story drops.